Welcome back to Charlie's Kitchen. How's everybody doing? So this is my version of apple pie. You see where it's all a little dark? That's where I pour most of the, or sprinkle most of the cinnamon, right? So I had a situation in the oven as well where it was oozing out. So, you know, mental note is that next time I need a bigger pan to put this in because of all the liquid and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little out. I already put some ice cream, some vanilla ice cream. I'm gonna show you the vanilla ice cream that I have. Adjust the camera. So that's the vanilla ice cream that I got, homemade vanilla. So we're gonna go ahead and get a little of this, and I'm gonna put on top of my ice cream that I got in the bowl. I'm so excited. We're gonna see how this comes out. Look at that, it's hot. Not too long ago, took it out of the oven, y'all. I want some of that juice to go over. Okay, look at that, y'all. Look at that. So you know we cooked those apples and softened them up. We used the, look at that, you guys. I gotta take a bite, you guys. Oh my goodness. Let's see how this went. You guys, you gotta try this recipe. Let me just tell you, it's amazing. And I'm not just saying that because I made it. It's amazing. You got your apples in there. Look at that. With your ice cream. And because we put that butter on top of the cake mix, it gave it like a cookie kind of crumble taste to it. And it's also buttery. Oh my goodness, you guys. Amazing. I believe this is a hit. So let me know if you guys try it from my kitchen to yours. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you all of this. And I hope you guys will try it as well in your kitchen, okay? So once again, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. It really does help the channel to grow. And from my kitchen to yours, have an amazing rest of your Saturday, everyone. Bye-bye. I am Chef Charlie.